boy BB, aka Lil Cordy on the track, man.
Chillin' shit to the ATL. What it do?
My little nigga Rob P, that number 8 years old, killing this shit.
What's up? Rob P, rap, get money.
Man, go ahead and get